So how does this software work with two inspectors? Well, it's kind of cool because the software can tell you where each inspector is. And you can have up to 100 inspectors using the software. But let's just use two people. On the right side, we have Michael, right? And on the left side, we have Benjamin. So two inspectors, same properties, 6th Avenue, 6th, 5th Avenue. And Benjamin on the left. So let me show you what Michael sees when I'm writing the report. So when I'm writing something in the report, I'm going to go to basement. Let's put Michael in the basement. And let's look at foundation, insulation, and ventilation comments. Foundation comment, I'm going to add a comment. And Michael on his software should see it immediately. So there it does. Boom. So there's the comment. Let's say I want to add some photos. I'm taking pictures while I'm inspecting. Let's just grab some pictures here. It doesn't really make any sense, but boom. So Michael is seeing me inspect with the software. He knows where I'm at. He knows when I'm inspecting, so he can check on me or be more efficient. He knows that he doesn't have to inspect the foundation. I've got it. So that's how this software syncs more than one inspector at a time at the same property. We get to see each other, and that's really good for efficiency and quality assurance.